This hair is ridiculous, guys. I would say it's like medium. Sometimes I just get really animated. This is one big bad boy. Or like hot item. Why wear makeup? Short, sweet, and simple. Friday, I got this Monday. So I'm hoping you should see this video in a few days. So today we're gonna talk about the new Beccazero Pigment products. These are like hot items. It was hard to get. This was out of stock at one place, so I had to get it at another place. This was also available, but then when I went for pickup, it wasn't available, so I had to rush it from another site. I honestly was about to film this for a separate video and then wait for this, but I was able to get these two together at the same time to film this for you guys. So today I'm here to try this out for you guys, give you my 100% feedback, comments on the packaging, of course my first impressions. You guys know with the pandemic going on, it's pretty crucial. Of course, once I got home, I sanitized these boxes. I even took it out of them to sanitize this, and it's been sitting for a few days, so I think we're good to go. For this video, it's gonna be slightly different. This could be new to some of you guys, or maybe not. You guys know I love to film demo and review videos. I love to just read the information for you guys, to of course give you my 100% thoughts on the product, my first impressions on the packaging, even swatch tests and the application. My full and lengthy videos may attract some of those viewers. On the other hand, there are some other viewers who just dislike these long videos. So I hear you guys, I read the comments. So I thought for this video, let's try something different and basically just get to the point. However, for those people who love lengthy videos or may just love these types of videos in general, consider subscribing. So with that said, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So I'm trying not to talk as loud as I normally do. Sometimes I just get really animated and into something. I just talk really, really loud. I'm actually using, oh, you hear that? So my recent videos, I've been wearing these clip-on mics where I don't really have to project my voice like I'm in a big, what do you call that? I basically just don't have to like scream or just speak so loud like I normally would, because with this mic, it picks up everything, all the enunciations that you probably don't hear sometimes, but I promise I am. So I hope this is an improvement. But anyways, before I ramble on and on like I normally do, let's just jump into the demo and review. So the first item I'm going to talk about is the new Beccazero Pigment foundation. And it's so intriguing. It's a zero pigment translucent foundation. I mean, this is just so interesting that I have to try it. So just a little background on this, I promise. So what I learned is that they created this product because it's a skincare and makeup hybrid. So you can actually wear something on your skin that gives you a nice even finish, glow without any color. It's kind of weird because if you don't really want to wear any makeup and rest your skin from makeup, why wear makeup? Also, this is going to help control your oils and also give you extra hydration because this also contains hyaluronic acid and it's silicone free. The house is not going to clog the skin, oil controlling, but it smooths out the skin without the silicone and gives you hydration. My first impressions on this jar, it's so pretty. It's white, you guys know I like white, it's clear, has a nice little frosted kind of coat on the bottom here. It is glass. The lid is really cute, it's nice and simple. This style is the same as like their under eye peach brightening concealer. It has a spoon. Inside, it has a little spatula for you to take the product out of the jar. This is so tiny, but it's so cute. It looks like a little eye mask for like a Barbie doll. Maybe a little too big, but you know, it's cute. My hands are clean. I can dig in here. Oh. Does it smell? So I'm gonna apply it on here. As you can see, it's, woo! It's like smoothing out my skin. But how does it do that without the silicone? It has to have something in here. Oh, It's slightly beating up a little bit. I'm unsure if that's from my hand cream. I actually visited the Sephora's website where they have pictures of clients before and after, and it's so promising. There are different complexions there, different ethnic backgrounds. I have a lot of freckles. In some of the pictures, they have, you know, spots too, and it really eliminated the darkness, but without looking like it has a lot of makeup, but it looks like it does. I don't know, it's so weird. It's definitely promising. We're gonna put this to the test to see if it actually minimizes all these brown freckle spots, because that would be a win-win. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at my complexion up close and personal. As I mentioned, you guys know I have a lot of freckles in the center of my face. I have a lot of broken capillaries, a lot of redness around the nose. There are some really pronounced spots. I have a lot of fine lines, and you know, with this product, I would hope it'll smooth it out. And I do get oiliness around the chin and mouth area. There's definitely no smell, and I keep smelling it thinking it has a scent. It really doesn't. The instructions is to rub it with your fingertips and just apply it on like so. Oh, this is weird, guys. It definitely is very smooth. It feels like a very silicone-y kind of texture. Although it doesn't have silicone. I do have some silicone products that I own, and it does have this type of feel. Like, is it supposed to warm up to your body temperature? No. No color, remember? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more for my forehead and the center of the face and see if it does do anything. It kind of beat it up a little bit, like right there, you see that? Once you blend it out, it's not bad. Ooh, I wonder if I put it under the eyes. This is so weird. I'm trying to apply it under my eyes like a concealer, but there's no color. Do you guys see a difference? Freckles are still there. I mean, come on. Moving on to the No Pigment Glass Highlighter for Face and Lip. Now this is a product that is straight up my alley. I mean, the whole glass look is so in trend right now. I think Glossier was one of the companies that have always promoted like that gloss like look. I know CoverFX has this primer that gives like a glass glow too. I've always wanted to try a product like that, but I've always felt like my skin wasn't like as even and as good enough to have like that glowy look without the shimmer, you know, just like that wet look, like Beyonce coming out of the oceans during sunset. Like, this is basically a self-explanatory product. Basically, you're just gonna use it as a highlighter that doesn't have the shimmer. First impressions on this, I love this package. Again, white, nice and small, clear. You can see the little bubbles. Let's see the doe foot applicator. This is one big bad boy. It has like a slight slant, so you can actually apply onto the curves of the face. And for your lips, smell test. Ooh. I don't know if it's like this whatever material, this little fibery cotton whatever like thing. I wonder if it's just that. Ooh, I wonder if you could hear me like sniffing since I have the microphone here now. Like, now I'm trying not to like sniff so hard. I don't think there's anything. I really think it's this applicator. Anyways. Oh my gosh. And one thing that is advertised about this product is that there's no sticky feel. Like, it shouldn't be tacky. It didn't mention if it had any hyaluronic acid or silicone free. It just mentions that there's no tacky or stickiness to this. This looks so nice. All right, let's try it. This definitely does give a glass look. Very, very dewy. No shimmer, it just reflects the light very nicely. Has a really wet look. I wouldn't recommend this if you're combination too oily, only because it may make you look more oily than you are, but you can also try using a mattifying primer, maybe a translucent powder to minimize extra shine. So what do you guys think? Does this glassy look take away like my freckles and stuff? Do you not see it as much because you see more of like a glass glow? I'm like laughing because I know I still see everything, all the imperfections I would like to use makeup to cover, but then again it defeats the whole purpose of just giving your skin a break from makeup. This is a hybrid of a makeup and skincare, so again it can make you feel like you're wearing makeup but you're not. All right, let's do a test. I want to see how sticky this is. I want to know if I'm out and it's windy, is it gonna stick to my face? Okay, what do I do? Just not really. How about when it touches like, oh. I wonder if I just need to let it sit for a moment. It does have a tackiness to it. It's not supremely tacky. I would say it's like medium. I've tried tacky lip glosses before. They stay on. And I know how they feel on my lips. This is actually a little bit softer, but I feel like in time, it'll kind of absorb and just feel like skin finish. Right now, I mean, I just applied it on, so maybe it's gonna be that tackiness for the time being. This goes for $36 and I couldn't resist. I had to look at the Sephora's website to tell you guys that 3.3 out of 5 stars people would recommend. There are definitely some mixed reviews of this product. Some people love it, people dislike the applicator, they wish it was in a pump. Others may find this better off as a primer. Some people were confused of how to use this under or over their makeup or just alone. It's kind of funny. Highlighter goes for $24. Some did mention that they love this. Some say it's too much as a highlighter because it doesn't have any sparkle. I mean, clear? It's glass. Zero pigment, guys. And also I did read that some people say it's too tacky. My mistake is that I actually put 2 dots. I think I'm just gonna try 1 dot and just kind of blend it in. See, now as I'm speaking, it's not as like tacky or sticky. It's kind of smoothing out. I'll try this a few more times, maybe going to like the market or the beach or even at home. This product here, I actually like a lot more. I don't own anything in the glass kind of trendy kind of product, so I'm actually really happy I got my hands on this. I just feel like I would use this product a lot more. I could use this alone or with makeup. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. Please comment down below if you guys enjoy my full lengthy videos or if you guys like it short, sweet, and simple. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!